Friends, placement season is about to begin, but before you start your preparation, it is very much important to understand what are the challenges for campus placement and how you can overcome these challenges in just 5 steps. So let's clear this myth once and for all and understand what makes campus placement stand apart and how you can get started right now for your preparation towards your dream job. So let's begin and make a difference. Hello and welcome everyone. If you are watching me for the very first time, introducing me, I am Rohit Runwal, founder Mad Learning, India's premier learning platform for campus placement preparation and competitive exams. Friends, after training thousands of students, what I've realized is it is very much important to understand before you start your preparation the different challenges that you might be facing for your preparation journey and how to overcome these challenges smartly. So today we have a very defined goal, and the goal is to understand 3 most important challenges for your campus placement preparation. The very first challenge is the traditional approach. Friends, you might have started planning for your placement preparation, you might have started preparation, or you might have started thinking about preparation. But till now, you are following a very traditional approach. The second major challenge is the preparation mindset. Friends, believe me, there is a lot of difference between the university exam preparation and campus placement preparation. So we are going to dig deep into this topic and make clear differences between both of them so that we can start your campus placement preparation smartly. The third biggest challenge that most of the students facing right now post pandemic is job searching strategies. So we are going to discuss all these challenges in very much deeply, and then we are going to discuss 5 steps to overcome these challenges. So let's begin right away. Friends, the very first challenge is the traditional approach of preparation. If you are a college student, you surely might be having this traditional approach. The first one is the cut, copy, paste method of preparation. That means instead of working on the real concept of the topic, you might be working around some shortcut methods or cheat sheets and just try to cover up the topic. Friends, these days, every company has a specialized recruitment pattern. They have a specialized test for them. That means if you just work around the shortcuts, you will never be able to crack these tests or crack their interview round. You need to have a tendency to grasp the subject in very deeply, to gain the knowledge of the subject, and then start preparation. So I will always suggest you to plan a roadmap of preparation, minimum 60 days, or I will say 90 days of preparation, so that you can crack this campus placement in the very first attempt. Friends, the second major challenge is the preparation mindset. I have clearly said you there is a major difference between the university exam preparation and the campus placement exam preparation. Let's mark these differences once and for all and understand why they are both different. Friends, the end goal in your university semester exam is to just score marks and get a degree finally. That means more data you put in your final paper, more writing you do in your final paper, that means more supplements you put in, surely you get more marks in university semester exams. That means more data is involved and less concept is involved when you are appearing in your university semester exams. Whereas in campus placement exam, the end goal is to build a lifetime career, a job in which you will be happy forever. Therefore, it is very much important to work more on the concept and less on the data when it comes to your campus placement. Now, let's see some more differences in both of them. Friends, no one can deny a university syllabus really lacks the practical approach to be successful in corporate life ahead. Whereas campus placement exams really demand us to be updated with latest trends and technologies. Also, for a semester exam preparation, we just wait for the preparation leave to come so that we start a preparation. That means just 10 days or 15 days prior to exam, we just try to rote learn all the concepts, and therefore it really not involves any time management at all. Whereas campus placement exams demand you to be consistent enough in your preparation journey. Minimum 60 days or 90 days of preparation is necessary, and therefore it involves real time management. Also, we all know for a university in a college life, there is no focus on personality development in real sense. Whereas when you start preparation for your campus placement, you really start working on your problem solving skills so that you can crack the aptitude test. You also try to build communication skills so that you crack the JD round and the interview round. You work on your coding skills so that you crack the coding round. That means personality development is the byproduct of campus placement exam, and that is what is the end goal of every student in life. I hope now you have understood the real differences in both of them so that you can plan accordingly. Friends, it's time to face the reality. A recent survey published by All India Council for Technical Education mentions that only 6 lakh graduates had found jobs in 2019-20 through campus recruitment drive. That means this is a real alarming situation. There is a major chunk of students involved who have been left unemployed in spite of investing lakhs of rupees building their career, getting a degree. So I want you to be really serious enough now and start your preparation so that you can have a good job in hand before you get a degree. So let's discuss how you can overcome these challenges and make a successful career and crack this campus placement in the very first attempt. Friends, we have discussed about the challenges. Now it's time to discuss 5 steps to overcome these challenges. I always suggest to all my students, the very first step is very much important. Map yourself in terms of your strength and weakness. Understand what you are good at. Map yourself on a scale of 1 to 10 in terms of aptitude, coding and communication. If you are weak in aptitude, start working on your aptitude skills. If you are weak in communication, start speaking in English, start presenting. If you are weak in coding, start learning programming languages. Very much important, start working on your skill set right now. Next, very much important, hard work versus smart work. Friends, I have seen so many students who work day in and day out 24/7 to make a good career, but they are not successful. The reason is they lack planning and they don't follow smart techniques to become a better person and increase your productivity. I always suggest always have good tools and techniques involved so that it makes you a better person and work smartly. Next, very much important, time management. Friends, start having a roadmap of 30 days, 60 days, 90 days of your preparation so that you gain knowledge and you become more focused during your preparation. I don't say don't follow social media or don't watch YouTube, but have a dedicated time for your campus placement preparation. Very, very important. Next, I always say follow true mentors and experts. Friends, there are so many good experts out there who can handhold you and make your preparation more easy. Investment in knowledge will give you best returns in the future. Buy courses of good people on the skill set where you are lacking, and surely they will help you out to develop and convert those weaknesses into strength. I hope you have realized how much important it is to have a good mentor and good expert in your life. I hope these 5 steps will help you to overcome these challenges. Friends, it is rightly said, you don't need to be great to start, but you need to start to be great. A right time to start your preparation is now, friends. I really want you to be successful and make a great career by getting your first dream job. And in this preparation journey, consider Mad Learning as your preparation partner so that we can help you and guide you to make your preparation more easy and land you in your first dream job. If you really like this video and if you are serious about preparation, please hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that all our future videos will be available to you. Best wishes for all your preparation. Till then, happy learning and make a difference.